So it's been a long time coming. We actually ended up getting the Remark exhaust for my Lexus IS 200T, and wanted to give a little bit of feedback since I haven't really seen many videos out there giving a review on what the exhaust is like. So from the start, after we ended up installing the exhaust, I ended up noticing that there wasn't much of a drone in the cabin of the car, and I'll actually have Shaq, we're at a light right now, but I'll have him kind of do a pull. So yeah, there's not that much of a drone, and it's actually pretty nice going back from just a small comparison. I used to have a EJ8 Civic, and I ended up installing a DC Sport exhaust, and you couldn't even hear yourself think when you're in that car. Huge difference going to a Lexus with the Remark exhaust. Super quiet on the inside cabin. You could still hear the performance once you start getting into the higher RPMs, which it's a nice change. What do you think?
I think so. At least you can now hear your car. It's too quiet.
Not only that, but obviously we're in here making the video and we can talk to each other, and we're perfectly fine. There's not much of a feedback from the exhaust to where, you know, we can't hear each other while we're having a conversation in here. So in a little bit, we're actually going to go ahead and stop the car, and I'm going to do a couple of sound clips of the exhaust, so that way you guys can get a rough idea of what the exhaust sounds like from the outside. Alright, so if you guys can tell, the car's not too loud at idle, which is actually perfect. I'm actually going to do a drive right now. Guys, so we ended up cutting the video for the Lexus a little short, only because we have failed to make any content with the Type S that Shaq has. And just recently, well, not recently, how long has it been? Two months, maybe?
3 months, 4 months.
3 or 4 months that you got the Catback exhaust for it.
Oh no, it's been like 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. So Shaq ended up going with the full Catback exhaust, Yonaka, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and show you guys here. But this exhaust is a little different. It's actually a lot louder than mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's quiet. Look, it's quiet.
It's quiet. right, he says.
That's only when the VTEC kicks in, yo.
VTEC kicks in, yo.
That's pretty cool.
So you can actually tell the performance of this exhaust. Really nice deep tone pitch to it. We ended up trying to see what it's like in the cabin. It's actually not that bad. It's almost, would you say identical to mine? Or you almost hear like, yeah,
or
see,
maybe,
I told you.
I don't know. It's a little bit deep. It's a deep tone, which I like.
Yeah.
It's not the whiny exhaust that you're used to for Hondas.
So once we get a chance, I'll actually step out of the car and show you what it's like at idle. I'll go ahead and have Shaq do a pull. Let's take a look here. Alright, so the Yonaka exhaust is not too loud coming up on idle. That's what it sounds like at rev though. Let's see what it sounds like on the way back.
Alrighty then.
We ended up finishing up the night.
Yep.
Lexi is just chilling and got washed and detailed on the inside. Not fully like Shaq's expectations, but it was enough for the time being.
We need a whole day.
We do need a whole day to clean my car from the inside. And the beast is just sitting in her domain. Put away in the garage for the now.
So whoever is looking for a quiet, deep tone where the cop's not going to harass you, the Yonaka exhaust I think is the best option.
Yeah, the Yonaka.
I've done so much research on so many different exhausts. For $279, you cannot beat that for a full Catback exhaust system.
Yeah.
And you can actually feel the performance on it. I feel it. Better than the old exhaust that you used to have. Some aftermarket no-name brand. It was louder.
Way louder. It was obnoxiously loud.
Yeah.
This was actually a good switch though. I'm
really happy with it.
Yeah,
Cops don't harass you.
I like how it turned out towards the end anyway.
I love it.
Guys, this is the end of the night for us. We're going to go ahead and just relax for the rest of the night and just chill. This corona got us staying 6 feet apart. Shaq, get 6 feet apart. Get away from me.
Said no party of 10, okay? So we're 2.
No party of 10. We're only 2.
No
guys,
car meets?
No car meets for now. Yeah, that sucks.
No Supercar Sunday, which I really miss.
Have a good night, guys. To my Nighthawk fam. We're going to go ahead and start working on a logo soon. Hopefully we can go ahead and get the decals done for the cars. Start working on some t-shirts.
Some merch.
Yeah, some merch. You guys have a good night. Shaq.
Have a good night, guys.
Laters.
Stay safe.